So the Earth's part of our solar system, obviously. Not only is it spinning around its axis, and as it spins around its axis, that's where we get day and night from, but it's also on this path that takes it 584 million miles to travel all the way around the sun. And that happens every single year, right? So each year, in 1 year, the Earth travels 584 million miles. What this problem is asking us to do is a bit of dimensional analysis, and we want to convert that into miles per hour. So how do we get essentially 584 million miles per year, and we want to convert that into miles per hour? Well, like we did last semester, there's some giant ones that we'll use. And in fact, this is going to be, one of the ones we'll start with, right? Because this is our situation, right? We've got 584 million miles per 1 year. Now it turns out that they're telling us that assume that there's 365 days in a year. So one of the things I could do is multiply this by a giant one in the form of 1 year contains 365 days. What's nice about that is you can see already the units years are going to cancel, and now I've got this converted into 584 million miles per days once I do the division. Now we're going to take the days and let's go ahead and convert that into, well, actually we can convert that into hours, can't we? I know that 1 day. Whoops, let me write this in black just to be consistent. 1 day contains 24 hours. So if I multiply by that giant one, if you look at it now I'm in a situation where I've got days in this denominator and days in this numerator. So again, days over days, it's a giant one, it cancels. So what I have now is millions of miles per 24 hours. That's right, millions of miles per 24 hours, because 1 day is 24 hours. And when I'm done with this, if you look, right, I'm going to end up, the only units that are available here are, I've got millions of miles per hour, right? In other words, miles per hour. So I just need to do the arithmetic, right? I need to take on a calculator. Let me grab a calculator. So I'm going to take the 584, and if I want, I can go ahead and write that as millions. So let's see, 584 million, so that's 584,000, and then 584 million. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to divide it by 365, oops, 365. And I'm going to take that result. By the way, that number right there is the number of miles per day. So you can see it's 1.6 million miles per day. And then if I take that and I divide it by 24 hours, I get that the Earth is traveling at an incredible, astonishing speed of 60, whoops, let me grab a pen, 66,666, and I guess it's 2/3, but that would be ridiculous for me to claim that level of accuracy. 66,666 miles per hour. Good thing all of our cars have seatbelts.